Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Little demonstration. You can see if it's enabled or not if you go to your drop down menu and you see auto rotate. It's off right now. Let's go to our gallery and let's turn it sideways. It won't shift. So when we enable it and then go to our gallery and shift it sideways, you see it turned. Now you can enjoy a full screen vision or whatever you like. It's also useful if you watch YouTube videos, or I don't know, if you have Netflix on your phone or something like that. Then it's nice to have a full screen vision. If you go back and go to your drop down menu again, you can just click on it and then disable it again. That's how easy it is to turn on and off the auto rotate on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.